loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm your girl, and today we have an exciting unboxing and try on haul from Shein. I'm honestly so excited because I picked out some really cute pieces and I haven't tried any of them on yet, so you're getting into it. Okay, first of all, the packaging is giving. Let's see what we got. This is the first piece. Look at this color. I love how soft the fabric feels already. It looks super stretchy too, which I love because we need comfort and style, okay? All right, so this is how it looks on me. I'm actually obsessed. The fit, amazing. It's hugging in all the right places, definitely giving body. What do you guys think? Is this a yes or a no? I feel like this would be perfect for a dinner date or even a night out. We have this two-piece set, and listen, I already know this one is about to be a favorite. This one, she did not come to play. I love how confident it makes me feel. It's simple, but still very classy. Overall, I'm really impressed with these pieces. For the price, the quality is actually really good and everything is super stylish. Make sure you comment down below which outfit is your favorite so far. I really want to know. Stylish. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!